up, guys? Play Buttons back with another video on Forging Radiant. To get from Shadow Level 5 to Radiant, you're gonna need 3 Pentaforged Shadow Souls, a couple thousand eyes, and 8 Purifying Dragon Flame. Yes sir, this is gonna get expensive. Then you're gonna need a Forge. That's it, y'all. That is it. We are at Radiant with the bow right now, like a beast. Also, this is optional. You can go to the Enchanted Forge, alright, and you can pop your Radiant gear right in there. Switch this from Pearl to Twinkling Tome. Pop that in again. Bam. No. Okay. So we can hide Aurora. It's already enchanted, you see. Already enchanted Aurora. But I want to change it. I don't really want that. So yeah. It's gonna hide Aurora, and then we have Neon Nemesis. What is that? That does not look that good. That looks weird. Alright. Let's try again. Moon Majestic. I think we have this, yo. I think we have it. We have Moon Majestic. That's what's up. And so yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to on what we should do next. I'm thinking about doing a flex guide, but yeah, thanks for watching.